Cobrafpv. Today we're doing our part 2 installment of our do-it-yourself enclosed ground station / home entertainment simulator. In the previous installments you saw us that we machined out the panels, we coated the spars and reinforced them with fiberglass. Again, we used polyester resin, very inexpensive. You can get it at any of your marine, even Walmart sells it and everything. We coated that, used a cloth and a fiberglass mat to seal and secure the spars to the top and bottom parts. Today, as you can see, we started to skin the panels of this, and this is a basic mock-up, but what we used is I had some Alumilite from some sign making projects that I had at the shop. We just used that. It's 1/4 inch thick. You can use Luan, whatever you have at your disposal. Obviously, as inexpensive as possible is always the best way if you can do it. Again, we skinned this unit. This particular one I'm making for my boys who start at Cobrafpv. It's actually going to look like the Scorpion gunship from Avatar with the cockpit enclosed, the motor rotor heads and everything. Fully interactive. This will be fully functional FPV ground station for all weather. It's going to be completely sealed with fiberglass. We actually got carbon fiber cloth, which we're going to do the interior of it. We're using a side-tech, which you'll see later on as we build this out. But this is going to be a fully functional FPV ground station enclosed, so you can see it. As you've seen in part 1, we did the seat, the main computer module for our APM, because we're using a 3D robotics APM 2.6 system in our both our flying wings that we make and also our quadcopters that we make. So we wanted to be able to have our FPV with our Google Maps and our telemetry and everything on there, which is also tied to our flat screen that we have in here with our OSD on-screen display as our backup. Again, we're in part 2 is skinning this. As you can see, we just cut the panels and taped them up and everything and got the shape. So it looks pretty good and everything. Look forward to filming part 3 in the future. Thank you very much.